Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
You wale wo boma seti sikaduro emi ohe o wa ru otato boma seti gunwa boma seti gunwa una agwale no hia do rie benue una jigo ya agwale no rie benue eri ho ma wenu wa ya zuwa ikibo me wa bizebe Nigeria oku ni agwa unu magi mi opabo nu hia ido rie one or two things together nu ta me ari obebe we bo we oja we re ah egwa gwome o mebe me gwa bege mani wazu egbin egwa gwome everything ye fefe we wa mwere gboto we kene pastor je wa mwere gboto we kene wana ya genika oje wa mwere gboto everywhere o wa no la je we ni do temata mu wa hunu gwariye ah mo seti gun kekan just simple thing u here zigoji uwen we hina iga hama no saloba wo ese no hama ijeme uwese wase Germany uwa fio be father dukun wa keme kire o ebe ne emi ya fefe wusa ya no gigware Nigeria no wumanya ho they will receive you una gwa se ebe ni wuzi kobojo o saloba yan kwari ye jo obo emi na wa sunu na wa ma ho nu wa fe ko yo boya gwe wa ko gwe wa ko tawo wo wa hono boss la oga ma ne gbe kan o ma ne rere igba no kedo da sulu wa ya fe la dan oga ma be ni meje no ije me o no bi ewo wa omo na ma bi he sile ya fe la dan geja we geja sin tamera me ona ga ime no I know what I will do so inye gwazuwa kuwe kuje gwa de do se we bo o se ni na ya fefefe oh wa mu me kedori ade because ono zuwa we de me honi me gogo ebe si esikegbe because o zuwa ya we nu aja bi omo zuwa obi omoji.
Yes, my people, now welcome back to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel. How na day? We hope everything okay, everybody okay. If not so, make we give thanks to God Almighty. Now so, now that one be waiting there, my people. And today's story is so now from Iyomo can really talk now. She can't talk to about so many things. So basically they happen, and then she can't still talk about the monthly with baby mama, and she can't still talk about stainless as well, that issue, and she's talking about a lot of people as well. Now be waiting there, my people. But before that one, make we just tell them and say this night Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel. I know how we did, and I know where to find us, and I know everything we say we represent, and I know say we're not the take bribe, we're not the prejudice, we're not the any side, we always say in the middle, we they neutral. You get me? So as it's so the being and so we take the talk we're not the hard, we're not the move, and I be waiting my people. And I know say with God all things are possible, you know what I mean? Without God, we're not fit here. So it's supposed make we give thanks to God Almighty. You know what I mean? We they bring the news to now, and the day that they listen, and Baba God make it all they possible without none of those things go they possible. And they make us they praise God all the time, they adore his name, they bow before and they just do everything with God's name. And I be waiting to them my people. So as with all that being said, make we just go to the story of the day, which is from Iyomo. So Iyomo come out now. She says she will not even want to talk about this issue. We be say about the mafia and his baby mama. You get me? So because she just the verse because she feel say the mafia baby mama, she don't think so much. She don't think wise enough. Like say maybe. I mean, you more use other words. We say we don't want to use here, but not be say we don't want to use them here, but you more already use them, so we go just allow and make una watch and as soon as you must go to use those words, which we really think say okay, your mom they speak from our own perspective, not me, because the way she see things, she analyze and she take break everything down. It's just this simple, you get me? So now be waiting there, and then the same time they say she talk about how stainless even I don't know whether this lady called stainless or not stainless called this lady. This is a baby, a Murphy baby mama. So stainless call allegedly. Now some people talk. Let me say we say stainless call has the woman 500 euros. So we say she would collect from the woman. You get me? Say, talk to the Murphy, or rather maybe if the woman want to make she bring her come out from her own show. You get me? So we're not gonna know which one really but however your mom break down everything, you understand what I mean, and the way things supposed to be. And this woman the time she take pregnant and the way your mom supposed talk say okay now so this woman supposed to stay out in the initial standpoint, like from the very beginning, before she even meet a baby father in the movie. You understand what I mean? And this thing we'll know how to talk put because like what I first talked on my previous videos on this particular issue. So say this matana, they say don't reach court. So we really know how to talk put and because with we just did for the welfare, for the well-being of this our brother and sister, you get me, which is the Murphy and his baby mama plus the babies too. You get me? So because the lady, so the Murphy baby mama get 2 children. Now that one just be waiting there. But in any which way, we really say we don't talk rich on this matter. So make we just draw this whole thing to a close now. Make we join our beautiful mama, Iyomon. So she wants us to break this thing down. Now hear me. So my people, I thank God for everything. I thank God for now and thank God for us. I thank God for everything. May Baba God continue to bless everybody. Those will be say they come here. So those will be say they hear the sound of my voice. Everybody, everything will be saying and they do. We be saying another use and they disturb another person. May Baba God continue to bless you put na me and as one journey your month so may Baba God continue to bless you now with my family now hear me now do well now bye bye
waga izuane wadwa gwalon wa hia mo imene gbugwa jojo egbe ah yewe mugu for gaman chop e what an oreme imeta I always eat the fat and leave the bone because I'm not a dog iye kita o se ni na ri efunoro ya ri funoro gboloko na ise iso iri ya ri funoro mu gboloko no ro fane na be kita iro wo se gbe iberi onire we wala we bo ma be no ya sika duro e story here wa vu be Nigeria ni wa ma imi opata bo wa Africa many things wa sunu Africa ma imi opa be any country no yare aduro ne European government imi weji una be ahama una de ugu be bien una be agwalo uwu ha mo na agwale no amugo na no mo ebe no dori ebe yobo ozuo o me made de na no ohu wa mu mejo kederi wa de yan wa te wa se a se so wa gezu of de I will say what be yari go oja ye 500 abi oja yi me stainless we ne stainless igbin taladian yari fa abi stainless we no 500 na stainless wa be to han o ga be ni meje no 7,000 here me we yo to bumere we no are 7,000 re ire 2,000 ge owo kan bo adi we me 2,000 5,000 ibe to oge ma gigo ni ri me 7,000 euro me 5,000 ni me just swear la go that the matter like that ire 2,000 ire ne dimofi e oga ime no because uzuwa ugwazuwa we ga obi ji me una ga obi me go nwe ni aja gbu e ata upopo ehyan ya gbu de by owe dazon osiwe ye ke jo we ni ya gbazan ni hu egbere upopo ni ya gwogwo egbe for life uga mi me nwa ho wi doblo bona do lo bono ka ifua e no sense in ezuality ni igbe hu erere agwa anya mo no maje drosi imate ho ni gwanjo because idoga me no yebe onwa no zuwo no merere egbuto dorisi hin imate ho ni de gwanjo idoga ekeni ni minori morioni iya mata aweti ata mega gwanjo because egbe me be ni ana no zuwo be ni ana me wo ni megwegwan ozuwo odebo ni na ka wete dorisi zuwo dorisi na ya ni abe edimofi owo kan gba me problem ige imawo ni gben ladin aberi oni because of their imawo ni na do mi ogi modo exposing an ladin so I don't know how far any abe ekesi yan yaji he so obi okan no we no ni ya kin okwo back you know tozuwo we no say ni na we agwan yo because many people yan wa be zuwo we gbebe no buhani wa be zuwo ni okay uwo no gi ke uwa ko wa pa wa adie webo iyan mo ebo gbo ebo wa ya abeme mi opa no dun bo sunu da webo wa I don't just understand though. Some people just come for us here wa deal with here wa do I think bad do I speaking true. Erwo wa merere gboto abi yan ri wa rere fu abo wa ne fu akepa yin ware. You just cross the Mediterranean Sea, you not get sense. You don't know how to read and write. E ma buwa na mi e o. A woman e mi no see na we to merere gboto. U pa yin ware, u la Italy. Ugu Italy, una do ahama. Uke do make pa Italy. Uma ebe nu ya sika duro enu to bo we mi ebe we. God forbid bad things. I oba me la ho. Ah? When I say disgrace, he give you do hey. Uma say sika duro. Ku we keko. Or when I be a single lady se fu se sika duro government ye be mi ewaji. Du mana igwa agwa ye na dina duro we. Uga agwa se ya ye be benwe. Ah? me will not be a hammer. One of a hammer. That is another second advantage. Numbeme. Nya receive you. No, the no do agwaligo. Nuhia do na agbigo munyahu. Na ya agwale di mofika. What's in the hand me go me way? Oh, wa me way. Di mofi wa me we go. Uwe ki gwalo no he agwa di mofi kon we unda go me we go. I don't know. Imagine we gwalo we. So if I have an academy, I demand only going because two zuo, and there are many people no wabe zuo ben we wabe jena many like that. No wa zuo be no wa ko wa pare do zuo be webo. Abi iya ila webo ni ya do agalo no ogbe story ni ya present. Uwe me no mo epa wabe na story wa bizarre. Be Africa ni we magi mi okpa ki pikibo. Me wa bizarre be Nigeria oku ni agwa unu magi mi okpa bo nu hia ido rie one or two things together. Nu ta me ario bebe we bo we oja we re. Ah? Egbu wa gwo me o, me be me wa bege mani wa zo egbin e wa gwo me. Everything here fefe we wa mwere re gboto we kene pastor je. Wa mwere re gboto we kenu wa na ya genika oje. Wa mwere re gboto everywhere. Owa no la je we ni do tenata mu wa hunu gwariye. Wa hunu gwariye. Ah? Mo se ti gun kekan. Just simple thing u here zigoji. Uwen we hina iga hama no salopa we se no hama. Ijeme uwe se wa se jemi. U wa fi be father dukun wa ke me kire o. Ebe ne emi ya fefe usa ya no ki wa re Nigeria no wu mwanya hu. They will receive you. Una gwa se ebe ni uzi ko bojo. O salopa yon kwari ejo obo. O kwari ejo obo. Wa ga izuwa ni wa do agwa no wa hia mo imwe ne gbugwa dojo egbe. Ah, we mugu for gaman chop. And what an already meta. I always eat the fat and leave the bone because I'm not a dog. Iye kita. O se ni na rie funoro ya ri funoro gbolo ko se. Iso iri ya ri funoro mu gbolo ko no ro fane. Ne na be kita iro e. Wo se gbe iberi onire. We wala we bo ma be no ya sika duro e. E story here wa vu be Nigeria ni. Wa mai mi opata bo wa Africa. Many things wa sunu Africa. Mai mi opa be any country no yare aduro. Ne European government mi weji. Una be ahama. Una de ugu be bie una be agwalo. Uwu ha mo na agwale no amugo na no mo ebe no dori ebe yo bo. Ozuo. O me made de na no ohu wa mu mejo kederi wa de. En wa te we wa se a se so wa gezo of de. I will say what we are go oja ye 500 abi oja yi me stainless we ne stainless igbin taladia. Yari abi stainless we no 500 now stainless wa be to han o oga be ni meje no 7,000 here me we yo to bu mere we no are 7,000 re ire 2,000 ge owo kan bo adi we me 2,000 5,000 ibe to ge ma gigo ni rie me 7,000 euro me 5,000 ni me just we la go that the matter like that ire 2,000 ire ne di mofi. Yoga ime no because uzuwa we ga obi chime una ga obi me go nwe ni aja gbu e ata upopo ehyan ya gbu de by owe that zone osi we ye ke je we ni ya gbazan ni hu egbere upopo ni ya gwo egbe for life uga mi eme nwa ho wi do lobo na do lobo no ka ifua no sense in ezuality ni igbe hu erere agwa anya mo no ma je drosi. You wale wo boma seti sika duro emi ohe o wa ru otato boma seti gunwa una agwalo no hia do rie benue una ji go ya agwale no rie benue eri o ma wen wa ya zuwa eri o ma we eri no pa ya we na be go ma zo we to bu we la den wuzuwo nu rie gbe we la den wuzuwo uto bo we la den wuzuwo. E bangi mi no give me we go no wuso e di mo fi no ro ni wen go e mata no rele meta okon wa ka we wetin this one dey talk wo na taji e mata no rele meta wen kere o mari bayi beno agreement is an agreement beno ta ma gi ni go no hia riere ni o ini go ngwa bo egbata o mi ekere rie nu ebo o ma seti haifo fine gba no tagwe riebe we no pa eriebe ye gangan eriebe we no pa agreement is an agreement wawe gbata na we gini go no hin oge 1000 no imane be ni go no wawe gbata oge 1000 no 500 no 3000 no o ma mi go ni riere fu so na ekwariere tu kwe ona ekwariere du mana be kwe utama egwe o igo na igba gwale ukpa o me reason na gwale ukpa wa be gen wa gen ona de to ga ija momo o ga ija hin wa o ma ko sign we mi no gwalo no o fe ko rigo we ori enwe tu we kwejo wa fe kwa mi e here o na ari e igwe here is agreement between both of you ona o we na e ko bi ami biyan we obe no nya go e go segba since you agree obe we ni go ni we ko ni go no ri no we ko bi agbin no okay if along the line o wo gi zeri go kere nu e adomie we yan do ari go ne igo mo yan do ari ne so do we o fe wa bo ebe to tabe okay igo mo na gi beri enu na e ga collect go na ti igo we ke gba ini go no ke wa we calculator ga meneri mewe because ichi to mama ibe ho no ma be chiti me gini go no ke we ni ana igo be ni ana ke ya collect igo mo na jo igo mo na nuri na nu himi na me a collect o be gba ni se anu o ga agreement between both of you yen be yen gbe je so tan yen ga hasafo maybe 3000 take kere o no we o ri kere bo no we giri go moji 3000 ni ga gba be maybe ofo ke be gbo we my sister oteme no teme we 3000 okay there okay so you no go no ke no gba iho ni je be mi we 1000 ye buy ni ja zin gbenu o ga agreement between both of you yen na be awon na ko be ri ba be ko o be yen jo ponu be wu na we okay in say anu in ari that 1000 or extra one to boy ka we yen jo no na ya pon mi we si o he va hon wa eva wa umu wa eva be dio wa ko wa koko wa be wa koko wa sumo wa we o wa fo be dio ni e be nu wa ki we na isi le gbe na o wa ho nu wa ki sile ma be o wa la ja because a business na egbe mi me na di mo fe paru gbe wa ni bun we be wo ni wa ya fe wa ru gbe ere na ni a e ma so gwa ro no wa hie na wa yo to na no make na ba o no wa ro pin re na no wa ti ozio abego dinoro ni ati yo tire ni awe orena no hia ba na ga ifu ne ya do ge mi no hia sunu bo abego du ya efe ya tire ne ya tinya yu mo pera ne ya ge mi no sunu ni ro pere ati ozio illegal e mi na set e jem no hia fo antu wa hia be do open abe awa be bo because kemi wa riri la na eru wa zagawa uwa hando open uwa hando rawi ya we yeri ya na jia eri na jia emi na bosti mamege na nete no wa ko wa no ode no ga bosti kwa bo kan o ke zuo ma na gbe kan o ga ma na gbe kan no ke dori ade fanu nu ane ona fanu e bomb no kwa hyan de ye Germany e bomb no kwa hyan de jo o hyan seguse no gba ose guse no gba be Germany ni na wa ma gudu wa ga when wa fe ko wa ya kwenche mana wa ma ko wa when wa kwenche ni ya fe ko wa fu video no here njo no ya kwa here njo toto efu ege ni reni aga e bomb wa ya blast wa mi there no total jo wo ge no bi oge iya when wa ya do awe test ni wa ga mi no su runda no hello ya tiwe later ni here no we ma ho no ladian be in real life ima ho no ladian wa no mo pa ni wa ho na we ya no ya tiwe later ma okay so we be ni na wa sunu na wa ma ho nu wa fe ko yo boya gwe wa ko ta wo wa ho no boss la oga ma ne gbe kan no ma ne rere igba no kedo da suluwa ya fe la dan oga ma be ni meje no ije me o no bi ewo wa omo na ma bi he sile ya fe la dan geja we geja sin tamera me ona ga ime no I know what I will do so inye gwa zuwa ku we ku je gwa de do se we bo o se ni na ya fefefe o gwa mu me kedori ade because ono zuwa be de me ho ni me gogo ibe si esike gbe because o zuwa ya we nu aja bi omo zuwa obi omoji oji gara o ga yara bo yo mu adi ogwa omozuo noro oremi je omuario edorisi omozuo edimofina ga omoji ni ramure ni mi aya bi me wa leru ni aya bi omozuo ni wa bi omoji wa mase oga igbene boyo oga sile de imudia imwewe dade o ja fiore no riri ade ya iga silo ya si ekyo isi me po ude ubumeti ogwa kwa ndo gbeme ginogwa ya gbe igwe sile mi lawa eri ogwa no ni me mu jo wa ni o sa gba gwe bi omozo ma bi e ba de ne bi ari abi ni me mu jo wa ni no do asiri e ladian ya jo omozo sa obo mi la ogun bi omozo okun edorisi o wa hun agwa egena wa be na ragbon ogwe una gbobia eko o ma be gbobia ogwa me be ko ere agwa agbe ko ere elawa ni ogwa gbere agbo ene na wa gbo ogwi je o lare o ma no mo eko na nu wa mo na bu ogwa eyan bi omo na ogwa gbobi yen ko ere ama ewe to ozuo wa na bi omo zuo wa na bi what cause that ula ewe bo ma statistika duro so we igo eri ne pani na dogbe story me mani me when you dey go testify mo gbe story ne mani bun mo hian gbe story no mo hian gbe no ibe mi we go ba zuwa abio mo no ma ye pint o se gbe no sense ni re uma set gbe story so ro wa be ko gbe story na mi no be ru we ma on how can you expect somebody to rest wo hian go we no ma to gbe story no we mi no gbe ye be ni you cannot defend it o se ni na mi wa be ado mi we mi no gbe ye be yan ti ene we mi na no wo sunu da we but aga no water concern mi no re be no ma ki on yata o ga wo gbe stu na to bo total na gbe story we wa mi no gbe ye be you will know how to answer the questions wana wala we bo wa was why ibi edo so wo wala we bo wa was wa mama na se gbe kia we ba no na mo first okay wa se gbe kia I tam wa be na wa ya so to he wa yan ga sapo wa ta wa me no pa ni wa mami iju wa no ro ni asegbe kia ne han wa special wa ko wa settle down ni han do ni ye ka wo ma wa kaka bo settle down o e ga gbele bopo pa yu we don't distract me when you get distracted don't distract me speaking true and talking true me ma be ni me kekin wa gbe ma ri bi e doji be de me de I never know me ri bi e doji be de me de idola o de na ne ke do e wa be mi bi e do ro na je school mo se ku wa mu o ku pata ma me no we yi owo obi edo we kina go bi edo we be yin go bi edo kin owo mu je wo go ma ja we ga je a ina wo go ma je na we obi je me na nwa we ma jo go me ma ro go ma ja e bo ko ka me na we ma jo go na we je obi je me na nwa iye mo koko we yi o we na wa je sko we bi edo ni me we yan je sko we yan go agbeni a owo ti en surprise go agmen go atie ina we okay ina we me wa je school Ije secondary school now secondary school wa be jose you know we time the reason now we stop ije mo pa ma setting o see e na high school get free education ga no alita ya finish secondary school ije na when step down then o tell me be ila ona o da fun ma zejo e zi ri ge ba o ma we to zi school o da fun ma zejo so I just stop that time Buhari ozegi me stop also imagine investors that is the reason why I na hate Buhari if not ya take invest maybe he ga je be Nigeria na you understand wo bi Ngozi Ewela wo nifi wo bi na wo be ni meje no o me gbala kanera bi je no mi gba no mi nana o na se ke no je ni me pa mi gbe gbala kaberi oni me se ti be climb to say egbe no be je ni o ma zu hu eva o ma zu he ma za gbeva ma mo hu agbeva na be ni meje ni o mi gbalaka o mi gbalaka no kaka boss strong ona hiye o ya se ke no je ni de ti me be mi ya te be se imamie so imagine be regret I see thank God so pa je be bujo bo me yes ke ni se be de na so that little knowledge in me ya se ke ni me so o mama gbe story me ima be mweko ube gwete ye mwe kola wa maybe because ina iga ha mo si o si eni na piti me ima we ye gbobo han be la we bo eji me ri eji egben ye be so igwa me declare bi me so me ma bege me reason wa ne man so na zuo wala wo wa ge zuo wala wo so gesi wa kaka bono ekpe so we run we zuo wala wo wa ge zuo me gi mi wa wala wo wa se disgrace re oga isunu ne kwado amu no ma me ma bege me okpa ni ja blame di mo fi wono na because nya we mu go for grandma chop e ke me na blame ega wa continue wa rigo ni you understand agreement is agreement go ni e ko so o ma we mi we na ya pon we o ma se na do ya ata wo mami o ma ni o ma dano una we se no mo sa lo bona gele we ko we ya fofo ya we se no ma o kan no ma no we na gbugwejo o sa lo bona ju gwa boy o sa lo bo no hin ari afin agbenu e ken we ma na expect mi we ma se ti wu ne gbugwe o sa lo bo we o ma be no ha we nu we this is what you people don't know awa mi go be na wari you go na wari e fo be na e wa mi go be na wari yo be na awari yo no o seke no mariri ube dene na oroda o ya he o ya muja he o ga we mi dan ni me ya muja yo da o be ya muja ho mani so ma o ga o be nu fe ko igo we agba no afo ko gwa hegbere o ko no kaligo ni yo bodu ma like be no ya kaligo ni re uta ma wi go no wa kele yo mo bo igba hu wan yen ewu me go kedere adot mi be no gije na still need 1000 more agreement wa boy o okay oh we eberu no be hegwere onu hyanzo hurie ba onu hyanzo seti kokomo onu hyanzo seti we mnu awu umu we yo bosa lobwa wa we mu we yo bosa lobwa ya we ya wo salobwa bege we tugele hepe oge we ne we do ha we runda no na hisu oni ni anu wa your opportunity ni wa lu eru wa yin su gboloko it's not fair my brother egbe vani ededema you understand oge ni do me seti le ku o do ago okie I just say the truth of the matter. Again, your zuo. I wait on my zuo. Oga to boy asika duro keke kweni yeri ebene. Nyagari ebene ega go second you wa ega yengbe. You understand? No zuo no ga zuo no zuo ko gware ni odo se no na do second yo zuo. And zuo ni ojeje ni ona yebe ya galo man no ha do we do gwegwa. Okay, u Facebook when u zuo se u Facebook do Facebook you just enter your live video by yourself and explain yourself to the whole world. What is the need of going and meet another person la wo dogume gwa la wo dogume temina abugwa no ya ha won ya re 50 euro ya ni la wo ko mo pa no agumenta o mo pa no u wa zuo benu na me Facebook Facebook we ya go mani we na go mani gwan. Why can't you a life a Facebook way? Who setting on the end tell no ata lo ba nu pabare. Unata o no paga hono no ho itame no ma ho no. That is why me we have where imana me 1000 viewers in imana me millions viewers in imana me 50 viewers in egwa. I just say ba o ru paro iteme ni hiata imaru ru pare. If you like you watch me, if you not like you not watch me. I not send o. Imana de send because I ti ya gwaligo. Igo abilare iberiye. But it's not on that most women are me viewers in it, man me plenty million viewers in it, iwe mini hiao. Ogo run pa mu dia be man salo bo de bagwa. Igwa beteme ni atakpa. No hon tami no ma hon no. Why is the reason pa nu hena ya ri go no ma we no run pa do gwetem. A problem well at dia be live video, Facebook live video. The reason when you na me Facebook or where Facebook or when you were on we ya watch your man. The reason that is war. The reason you cannot go well at the area no man. On your time no why the reason pano nigi you cannot go well at the area no one live video presenter. Well, I will go to tell me now, or mana offend me, or mana cheat me, and give your pano woman. The reason you can't go well at the area. Why can't you use your own a data see or my pay in when you have your own? Why can't you use your own live video, a live forever, and you just press it, you continue? Yeah. I say let's always to hand where shall not will be 500 euro. Okay, me no 7,000 no. It 2,000. Ibe dia ile. Ime be la dia o. Eme ibe dia ile ni we gwense geri go na o. Iba be la dia o. 7,000 me 5,000 by my workmanship. Yes. 5,000 for my workmanship. Ni ya le lere do imia 2,000 here no. eri owa no edi mo fi e ye ku o igo nu weri e bo pologbe anu we ka e kedori adewo oga igwi yen ri kwe e kesi ni me ri do e de kesi ni eri wa be dori so do ai ma be with that time igba de kesi ni so we are here stainless in on ye to ha ona demand with 500 me he demand 500 7,000 I collect 5,000 e 2,000 we me husband we give I go wa we so oga ri oba we ge 5,000 I'm ready to say yes so ye bo when it do swing na home lawyer ihin ya omo he ari lawyer bo wa uri go na lawyer fian we ohin asa so I'm ready we a court amumeri igba jo igba lele seba ni igba lele ye seba gakian yes o just igo ni gele mi enihin mama mi ima mi we go jebe uwe ni su we seke no hin na su we ahia ego no we yari go ni ma we igari ba we e o ga mu oge ba mi je bofian iya bo e bo ye fian wa ya we na anwo ekunu eto se woto oto se gbo na mu oge ba me be to oge e nwata me ya gwo ma fen o ma ya kan le lo ma fen iye nwata ni me ya gwo ma fen mu oge ba me ije bofian so ma keke nu wa ga zuwo wala awowo ezuo ni mani bungwa zuo gwa sonu me ni akete me na kedo ade ya wa ti gba beki ni zuo oni oma dem wa ide ba eri de no de mo fi o ma ja mo gu for ga ma chop o fole mo gu fole ona chop ah salo bo me da o sa ba gun ebi mo zuo ibi mo jo ma so mo zuo o wa ra yo wa ra wa mo epi go wa mu de no wa mu de owa gbebo mi oko wa mu ede no ko ni wa de kwe eze gelegele no makina yan wo ko makun ayudu ya iwa iyudu ya ko ko ni lawa udu iwa ya ko eze gelegele ni o yan wa mo se ko wa te yan wa osmesme iwo ya yan wo gelegele straight o wa se gelegele ni o ma yan ma open esi pot you do ya ko yan wo ko ma yan you do ya gwa ya gwa vie hela wa o ma so ya bi o mozuo ni do vie nwe gwa o ya vie o viari we e do ri so mozuo no na mu go no be kun wa ona mu na de mofi ase tifi oji no ma ona ni na kwa kolete uwa kan do gwegwi o me ma gwegwi odu wa na gwedi mo fi gwi me ma gwegwi odu mo fi ma ri abe wono na awo se kino jo na de so me ma gwegwi yan we stainless we 500 stainless ogu we cheap gbe home lawyer we very cheap ogi me ma cheap o iko ni awari e la dia my sister we ri wa no yan ri we re ko ti gba be mo gbe me no be ko so ehian igba le lo e o we no aseba ni jeso igba be ta ibe to rejo o ha be mu me ibe te mo pa gbafa ibe be me ke be te me ni ata ibe jo gware na we ke do te me ni ata igba ta iwa kale ye ikale okoni wetin ye kale kwa me kale kwa igba ki me kale jo igba ko ye kale jo isi ekoko ya na kalo kwa ni me sanoji ime igba kale ya jo igba kale yo kale ye sie ya koko do huru ko so ma bun e huru wala wo me yo salo boy wa ge iga so no hia sika duro to bo we sori no sunu nia u to bo we ta because yan no wo topa gbere gbegbe ni an no we last 2 years yan de gbe it was just start oga 5 questions yan no we last 2 years yan han don't know we be je na they will now bring time still oga 15 questions yan de in 5 questions yan kan no we ni yan be gbe yo to yan de gbe do vi another thing by eriyan ja we yen de gbedo vio another 10 yen de gbedo vio bai yen de gbedo no water ni aka no yen ke ba ni sun e ka wetin ya mia yen ma mia ye gwana wa se we bo egwa do azuo particular wa gese gbe kia wa na wa mu first yen wa temi kia no wa ga gie ehon ni ga sweet ehon ni ga debu nu ya be nu a wu nu ya e gese bi edo yan ke hon ni ji on eso no ro abe bieka no ye gbeta eno wan wa han ati daddy eyan ma ti riyan daddy wo daddy dankan daddy wa kin wa kun daddy awe set nigga ati honi e police o set o kesi yan e dokpa megi gian yan rejoice yan segbe police mudia yan e compliment yan eri wa se we ki honi na wa se na wow na wa for na o na yan we na wa for wire road e ki honi wa de supo wa na ya we settlement iba ni na ya separate o honi wa we ni agbe honi ni yoto cannot spare honi o ko ni na we early ovio love aberi oja sita eri oni just spell love again because of my early view love eri oni just spell again be there o da me gbe o show di mi ma bi loyi wani ya de wani ka we di mo fi we mi dan o eri o we mi no wo ma wo se wo ma bege go to zuwa wata me go zuwa bugo mo na ta me again na we to zuwa o mo be de gbe do we the same thing o be de gbe de no we de gbe do we the best we wata me go zuwa ke no wa zuwa ni we wa ta me we o de nu je la zuwa nu ja ho ho abo we wa ta me so that another person ya we ahemi hu a obo wa yo pin o another person na ge be na ya gwo na gwi oni ge hen de gbe we oyen we gbe na let me just go direct owa go direct owa asika duro to boy egidi go no maro poropa ebeni awa ege no be ya ya la je no gware owa fu egbere kuwere owa fu egbere I just tire for now salo boy mazu ode ibe agwa na dia no si mazu aria na ibe zo aria no de agwa eme gbontanu o si egbe bo cause that anyan monomaje dross get people everywhere ko taise imari ba na ko von me ko ga kakabo von me na bi yo mo we dey read book o me story opa ni han do tala da concerning awosa o me obi gbopo wi gbon no ma ru opa no finu re we ge mi ni bi edo eri e po no pa so I will come and tell the story of awosa ni be na awosa do ya come into existence awosa ni church in maybe na be missionaries imure church Portuguese awosani right from the origin of Benin awosani ke aro so I know the story a story ni atama me so I will still go into details igagiri ebeni ne kona ivomene ala jani do tami biebome ya je do ta ya beje buta udawi bi gbono maru eni so imaka omo mi no wa ma what you don't know don't talk about it. You never know the story of that Awosa. Awosa is not a Portuguese church. A church abe father. A church in Redone before the Portuguese come to Nigeria to Benin Kingdom. A church where Awosa ni church kekan wa. A church kekan. Oh kuta. Yan wo ko dukun de. Ona do de o to be bani. Ya okuta ni enya na tie okuta ni gide ba ni so the ona me or something ona ga blink ya ga we okuta na dukun ke kwa de wa ko iso wa dere so ibi do idu that time they were calling them idu ya na de ya na do ige awosa ni that time ya na do lerun we ba ni erun kerun ni ariri na we ba ni that time Osaloba onaga home. So they prayed through that place to God. That was that time during the time of Idu. So onaga me that time. Oje they tian appointed. I want to go to the story. I wait to me ragmo. My mother could have told me the story because she knows about it very well. Ekere ni me hobo before okay I had to tell then I will still go to history book. Maybe that one will be my next topic. So, that time, the priest, was at that time. Appointed whether the senior person or be appointed. I don't know of what I want to go to detail and know when you appointed the priest that time. So if you had maybe I'm a Robert do that time he do that time. Through that priest oheni ya lerun we bani ye okuta ni no de kusore ni lerun jo maybe raw maybe this pandemic egbebe no omiamena vun ya na they go there and pray kemi ne me ame onya be sania iya be yakwe ebani na go salobua that time. So again the British yare ni aya dodo le mi vio ya bu okuta no de kisore ni ya mu okuta ni. So during the time of our Oba Sigie, I think so, do ya be this Holy Church of Awosa. The Holy Church of Awosa, Cathedral Church of Awosa. That was the time do ya boy ebani, because ma ho ne nani no kasun that time. Do boy. If you don't on Sunday before the Portuguese come, we know God before the Portuguese come. We know the way we serve God. Our church Awosa ni meka aja gani je no kwa na rago mega alele jo be gani. That's the old days time. Iyan wo be church in that time. Ben was any man do ya yon hen do appoint him. Church ni no. You know, it's one property no inherit the do kingdom Benin kingdom no. So he has the right to appoint anybody. He has the right to the right to be church in. So do gwa mai. Because when you do so why agbebu wa ya mune ehon igmono marwe ni no unu nyama be money do aka we be ma woni tie bonus. So then you read the story. Let me have time. Ika abori ye beni ekoga ifun when you do tie. I know some of the story. The reason why iya we gani ohon I can still remember iya wo ohon oga me one certain time me magi Robert do so hamegaro na do itame the priest that time where we do not do a complain where he o give no sunu me na sunu pa sunu wa we ne aberu kwa bijugwa do give no we give no sunu na do complain ma o heni ye complain ma o hena we hiari imi ni ya ta musalobo agwege o because they make many sacrifices musalobo magiri ye hiari imi ni ya ta musalobo agwege complain ibi do complain ibi e do complain o gba ni yapa na to boy you working ari imi I o gba ni say mi ni o ma ida gbegire o say ami o se no je imi o mo ise tin ga de because I know Nigeria. From there, Magiga me that time before the Portuguese came, the British na do re yena do mo okutani do pa. It was during the time of Oba Erimage Esige yena do bear Awosa ni the Holy Cathedral Church in Yagimu. Again yena do boy that place. So now make na we age na we go salobo bebani. Yena you got Awosa. Okuta akodukun de yotedo ni ona ma o na something na shine or spark. So all the Idu people gathered there ibani na ya osalobo ya worship that time. We don't have any other gods that time. We serve God. Because any prayer ni ari we bani be gani ose. They talk through that. Runkeru ni ari no gwalomo na seba na legun salo ogni mo ni egbe maranga seba that time egbe iran everything ni aga obege ni oga ase. So eno run pado ka we this and that wa igwale egbe enu ma wa egbere bo ma won enu wa to bu wa gbegbo wa muge egon do agugwa o do that girl ya tam ya mi ma ho ni tie bonu akwarunu we no ye viokpo ni no ye be extract money egile na vaje vani. Just take your time wherever you are. I don't even know your name. Take time. What you don't know, don't talk about it. If anybody bring anything concerning Benin Kingdom to you, when you don't know anything concerning Benin Kingdom, so don't say anything about it. You don't know anything concerning Awosa, so don't say anything about it. You are warned. Wherever you are warned. Why they try nonsense in it?
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment. and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.